Hello friends, good morning and welcome. How are you friends? Hope you are doing good. My name is Chitra Varun and I am discussing previous year questions of SSC section Officer Audit 2005 of Biology section. These are my credentials. So let's begin friends. Pregnant women usually become deficient in sodium and calcium, iron and sodium, calcium and iron, magnesium and iron. So here correct answer is C. Pregnant women usually become deficient in calcium and iron because calcium and iron are those supplement which is required in a very high amount. During pregnancy, pregnant women need an extra iron dose that is about double the amount that is required by the non-pregnant women. And this extra iron क्या करता है? This extra iron helps body make more blood supply oxygen to the fetus, and fetus is a unborn child. The daily recommended dose of iron during pregnancy is around 27 milligram. Like this, calcium is also required in very high amount, which is about 1200 milligram. So if this requirement is not sufficient from food supply, so pregnant women usually become deficient in calcium and iron. That's why every pregnant woman gets calcium and iron pill during the pregnancy. So correct answer is C. Which component of light are absorbed by chlorophyll? Violet and red, indigo and orange, blue and red, violet and yellow. Here the correct answer will be C, blue and red. जो chlorophyll pigment है that absorb blue and red light. Chlorophyll क्या है? That is a green pigment found in cyanobacteria and chloroplast of algae and plants. ये plants में होता है, and chlorophyll is an extremely important pigment that is useful in the photosynthesis process, which allow plant to absorb energy from light. So chlorophyll absorb light most strongly in the blue portion of the electromagnetic spectrum, and after that it absorb maximum absorption from the red region. However, it is poor absorber of green portion of the spectrum. So here correct answer will be blue and red. Maximally it absorb from the blue and then it absorb light from the red. So correct answer is C. Ginger as a stem and not a root because it stores food material. It grows horizontally in the soil. It has nodes and internodes. It lacks chlorophyll. So here correct answer is it has nodes and internodes. Ginger is a modified stem and इसको हम rhizome भी बोलते हैं. This is a thick horizontally grown stem which usually store food material. And इसका basic feature क्या है? It has nodes and internodes. That's why it is called as stem. Stem में internodes and nodes होते हैं. So correct answer is C. What is the approximate time required for a heartbeat? 0.5 second, 0.8 second, 0.5 minute, 1 minute. So here correct answer is B, 0.8 second. Why? Because heartbeat at the rate of 72 beats per minute. If 72 beats per minute, then 0.8 second में एक cycle, an entire cardiac cycle is completed in 0.8 seconds. So correct what approximate time required for a heartbeat is 0.8 second. So one beat is completed in 0.8 second. That's why 72 beats per minute. So here B correct. Eyes of potato are useful for nutrition, respiration, reproduction, vegetative propagation. So eyes of potato are useful for vegetative propagation. If eyes of potato are exposed with the moisture or warmth, then they will sprout into a stem. So here eyes of potato are useful for vegetative propagation. From those eyes a stem can sprout if they are exposed with the warm temperature and moisture. Which of the following element is obtained from sea algae? Argon, sulphur, vanadium, iodine. So here correct answer is iodine. Iodine is an element which is obtained from sea algae. Taenia solium, a tapeworm lives as a parasite in pig, abdomen of men and women. intestine of men and women, liver of men and women. So here Taenia solium or tapeworm lives as a parasite in intestine of men and women. Tapeworm is also known as flat segmented worm that usually live in intestine of some animals, and eating undercooked meat from the infected animal is the main cause of tapeworm infection in human. So it lives in intestine of men and women. An ant can see the object at around it due to the presence of simple eyes over the head, well developed eyes, compound eyes. An ant can see the object at around it due to the presence of compound eyes, which can give a full 360 field of vision. It's a feature of arthropods. Which of the following is not the component of chlorophyll? A. Hydrogen, B. Magnesium, C. Carbon, D. Calcium. If we see the molecular formula of chlorophyll, that is C55, carbon 55, hydrogen 70, oxygen 6, nitrogen 4 and 1 molecule of magnesium. So chlorophyll, calcium is not the component of chlorophyll. Hydrogen, magnesium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen is present in the chlorophyll pigment. Which of the following is a large living bird? Peacock, ostrich, dodo, turkey. So the ostrich is the largest and heaviest bird that is alive today. So it is a largest living bird. Ostrich is a correct answer. In which of the following generally hormone is not found? Rat, monkey, bacteria, cat. So bacteria doesn't have any hormone. So correct answer is C, bacteria. The causative organism of dengue fever is fungus, bacteria, protozoa, virus. So dengue fever, also known as breakdown fever. It is an infectious tropical disease that is caused by dengue virus. So correct answer is D. It is caused by a virus. Which of the following is considered to be the best cholesterol? VLDL, LDL, HDL. This is L. Triglyceride. So if we talk about the best cholesterol, that is high density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol is known as a good cholesterol because high level of HDL seems to protect against heart attack. So it is the correct answer. Thalassemia is a hereditary disease. It affects blood, spleen, lung, heart. So thalassemia is a genetic disorder. It is a form of inherited autosomal recessive blood disorder that originated in the Mediterranean region. और thalassemia से क्या होता है? This is the disease actually caused by weakening and destruction of red blood cells, and also they cause also significant complications like including anemia, iron overload, bone deformities and cardiovascular illness. So it is a blood disorder. Which of the following represent a food chain involving a producer, a vegetarian and a non-vegetarian? A grass, insect, elephant. This is plant. Plant, rabbit, tiger, fish, insects, whale, tiger, rabbit, owl. Once again I am reading my options: A, grass, insect, elephant, plant, rabbit, tiger, fish, insect, whale, tiger, rabbit, owl. Here correct answer is B. They are asking about food chain involving a producer. Yes, plant is a producer, a vegetarian, rabbit is a vegetarian and a non-vegetarian. So tiger is a non-vegetarian. So correct answer is B. The animal which uses sound as its eye is dog, cat, snake, bat. So bats and dolphin are the animal that uses sound waves for echolocation, and they detect objects by sound waves. That means bats are using sound waves for detecting whether their objects are in space or not, and they are also use this mechanism for find their food. So correct answer is D. So friends, I am stopping my video here and we will continue previous year question in next video. So thank you very much.